Okay, so welcome to ELC 5, three-phase systems, electrical systems, three-phase power. And in this course, we're going to take a step up in AC circuits. Okay, this will be a one level up from simple AC circuits. In this course, we will actually be looking at the power that's distributed uh, worldwide and everywhere using three different lines having three separate phase. In other words, there will be three AC power lines, each of them being 120 degrees difference in phase from the other two. Okay, and then you might ask, why do we do that? We do that because it saves power, it saves energy, and it is less costly. Okay, so basically it is a lot more efficient and it costs us a lot less. So what we have then, in this country, in order to distribute power to homes and businesses and other systems, we like to generate power in a three-phase fashion, send it out, and for each home or each system, each place of where we want to distribute that power, we'll have a bunch of transformers to transform that power into whatever the needs are for that particular home or business. Okay, that's the way it's done. So this is a 2-week course, just like the rest of them. In this first week, we will look at the actual three different phases and the systems that develop them and how the wiring is different for each. Okay, basically there are two types of three-phase systems. We'll go through that, explore what the mathematics are that are involved. How do we calculate voltages? How do we get currents out of them? And how is the power distributed? Okay, those are the things that we'll look into this week. And then the second week, we will look at how do we actually distribute the power using transformers, and how do we make sure that we connect everything properly so that in each house, for example, we can have a selection of 120 volt and a 240 volt for running furnaces, ovens, and so forth. Okay, and where for industries where they have three-phase motors and so forth, they need all three phases. Okay, so we will initiate. We'll start first with learning, reviewing a lot of what we learned through the last two courses, EX1A and EX 2A and 2B actually, and we will be using a different book. This is the book that we will be using, okay, and I would suggest for review, if you have the time, look at the first 5 units or any number of them, the first few units to review simple AC circuits. We're actually, when we get into three-phase, we're going to be starting at chapter 10, unit 10. Okay, so I will again, we have our normal 12:15 Zoom meeting every day. There will be homework. I will go over the homework the following day, and I will give a small lecture during that Zoom meeting. Okay, and if there are questions, okay, don't be afraid to contact me either by phone or by email or by both. Okay, and all that information will be given to you on today, Monday. So welcome back, and we'll get started.